Hey, Nick, you're on Mighty House. More
Hey,
importantly,
good morning, guys.
you're on the Clutter Clarity segment of Mighty House.
There you go. Run with it, Nick.
Oh, awesome. So I was going to suggest stuff for cleaning out as we finally have reached winter up here in the north.
In the
last
north?
few days. And so one of the things I've been trying to get my family to do is it's going through and getting some of the old clothes that we have. We're going through now. We're getting into the winter clothes that we haven't worn in 6, 7, 8, 9 months,
Right.
however long it was.
Right.
And
3 months.
so going through finding those sweaters that you don't want to wear anymore. Something I know Robbie has said before. If you only wear it once a year, or if you don't wear it once a year, I think you have to get rid of it. That's a good tip.
So all those Christmas sweaters can go. The ones with the little Christmas tree on them, we just get rid of them.
Only one. You can keep one for the fun Christmas sweater.
The
funny Christmas
ugly sweater contest.
Christmas party. Yeah, for the office party.
Yeah,
Sometimes that's the gig on that. Something I've been noticing. I've been doing a lot of dishes in my house. It's like my kids seem to want to grab one dish, dirty it, and put it in the sink, and grab another one for their next snack. So I've been thinking about going through and thinning out my selection of plates, so they only have so many, so they can't make as many dirty dishes. Forcing us to wash them faster.
Sure.
And then, of course, I can't leave you without a toilet tip.
Oh, so, yeah, we definitely need a toilet tip.
Toilet tip. So for the holidays coming up, if you got one of those toilets that just doesn't want to get clean, in the bowl, you got your scrubber or whatnot, you could spray all your magic bubbles, and it just doesn't want to get up. Stick on some rubber gloves, grab some steel wool, and you could basically scratch that, or clean that stuff off, clean that grime off of there.
Really?
And then certainly don't want to flush that steel wool down the toilet, but that'd probably be a good time to put your half a cup of Dawn down there and flush it, and you got a nice, clean, sparkly bowl for all your guest mates to poop in.
There you go.
Nice.
There we go.
You got it in for Robbie. That was the most important thing there, Nick. You got the word poo in there for her. So now she's going to be happy.
I woke up this morning to my 2-year-old playing in the toilet. I've gone through, I think I go through about 6 rolls of toilet paper a week, and usually, we don't hardly even get them off the roll. By the time I find them, they're already strung out. So that's been my challenge. They have the toilet seat lid locked, so I'm trying to find a toilet paper lock, but I don't think they make one of those.
There you go. We got to go to the commercial dispensers. Maybe you can get like a commercial dispenser on there, And
like the Forest Reserve, where they have a big padlock on there with a pipe across the side. You can't steal it. Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
that'll
Fort Knox my bathroom.
Yes, the wife will love that. That'll be perfect in the decor.
Oh yeah. Well, it sounds like you have a lot more people to give tips. So those are my tips.
I don't know what happened to them. I think Trixie hung up on them all and then gave it to you. So it was. Oh, okay. It's just you, Nick. That's it. So.
It worked. So it worked,
I'm
Nick.
Systematically trying to clean out my garage. I don't know if I'm the most applicable one for Clutter Clarity, since I am dealing with some of my own clutter. But trying to, one of the things I feel like we've come to is we've become such a disposable society, and we don't tinker anymore. We can't fix things. These toys and bikes that they make now, it's not fixable.
Right.
Or if it is, it's more work than it is to just get a new one. But that's such a waste, We were talking a couple of weeks ago about recycling and reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycle is the last choice.
Sure.
You got to reduce your usage, reuse what you can, and then you got to recycle it. That's why that's in that order. So.
Right. That's exactly it. And the thing is, a lot of that stuff sometimes it can be repaired, but there are also some that are not designed to be repaired. Once they break, that's it. They're done. And you're supposed to get rid of it.
I have my old line out trains from back in the day, and they were made in New York City, and those were the ones that were repairable. And then come 15 years ago, I started getting my son into them, and I couldn't find anything but all these made in Chinas, and they're all plastic, and they break.
Yep.
Right.
You know, the ones from the 1950s, these are, you know, solid, either, God, what is that? The old telephones were made out of that solid plastic. Some of these trains are made out of that.
Bakelite.
Yeah, Bakelite. Bakelite, that's it.
Yeah.
Man,
Bakelite,
where'd that go?
yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
It's actually, they still use it, actually.
Oh, do they?
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
That's yeah.
So, but all the gears are
repairable.
The gears are all steel and cast iron, and today they're all just made out of vinyl plastics. So
yeah. They just wear out. They're no good.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, and let's see, 'tis the season. Try to you know, what you can give away what you can, and you'll receive a lot more, you know, than you think.
Yep. All right, Nick. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys.
All right. Good job filling for Robbie there. So we'll get you out those gift certificates soon. So thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. All right. We'll be back right after this. You're listening to...
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.